Okay, so this is a how-to of how to fix an Xbox One controller. So, if you have the situation where you try to update your controller and now it's not working because the cord messed up, you canceled out, you can't do that. Xbox called Xbox, said that there was nothing you can do about it, no way to fix it. I just figured out a way to fix it. So, again, this is a video. If your Xbox One controller will not turn on, not because of dead batteries, not because you don't have it plugged in, you've tried new batteries, you've plugged it in, all kinds of stuff like that. So this is how to fix that. So yeah. If you saw my previous video, you would know that I was getting really mad last night and this controller wouldn't turn on. Well, now it's turning on. So all you have to do, unplug these batteries in the back. You should have it without the batteries. Plug it in with a controller cord like this. I don't care what kind it is. I'm not really happy with Nyko right now, but I only have a Nyko cord, so I figured, why not? Plugged it in, and I didn't trust to do anything else because I told my friend who just had this happen to him. Literally last night, the same day that I had it happened to him because we tried to update our controllers and that we have these Nyko cords. So basically, what you'll want to do is you'll double hit this home button. You go down to settings. So you get the settings here. You will go down to not turn off. Whoops. Don't turn it off, but click restart your console. It'll go through this process. And remember, this is while you have it plugged in without batteries. This is the controller. If you watched my last video, it would not turn on. And I called tech support and everything like that. They said there was nothing I could do. You let this restart, and I'm going to start this back up whenever it's restarted. So now you're at this loading screen. It'll eventually get to a part where you will see your home screen again. And once you've got this plugged in, it'll be plugged in. And it'll have no batteries in it. I'm emphasizing you have to have no batteries in it. And once this is done on this screen and your controller is plugged in, you should, once it gets to the home screen again, if you look down at your controller, it should be glowing. I am 100% sure that this works. It has worked for me and one other person, not just for me, but another person. And it will actually, and you will be able to put in a battery pack and it will work 100% perfectly fine, just like this. It'll get to the home screen and all that will happen. So, yeah. So I hope this helped you guys out, for those of you that are having this trouble, because I freaked out. I was like, I don't want to spend another $40, $50 on a controller and all that crap, but now I don't have to. And both me and my cousin, because he's the one that had this happen to him, were freaking out. Like, really freaking out, because he didn't have another controller, so this was all he had. And so I just got it working this morning. I got it working at 9:30 a.m. I don't know when this video is going to upload, probably within at 10. And yeah, also for those of you that are watching it today or around that time, happy Thanksgiving. It's Thanksgiving, so eat a lot but not too much, I guess. For those of you that are new to this channel and that you've just seen this video because of this reason, you can check out my channel, but if you're like me, you're going to click on someone's video to fix this and not check out anything else that they've got. But if you want to, you can check out my channel. You can check out the previous video I uploaded proving that it wasn't working at all. So, yeah, that fixes it entirely. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like. If you really found this helpful, please leave that in the comments, because I need to be able to know that this works for just more than 2 people. It should work. But yeah, sorry it's a long video. But I figured this would be helpful. Plus, those of you that saw my video last night were like, "Oh no, bro, shouldn't have messed around with your controller." I was like, but I didn't. I tried to do what it told me to do. Anyway, so yeah. Like I said, hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like. And yeah, and I guess that's kind of it. So, see you in the next one. Goodbye. Whoop.